How to make a fantastic Snoopy room. Everybody knows that Snoopy the dog is awesome. If you love him as much as we do, here's how to have the most amazing Snoopy-themed room ever. Steps. 1. Paint your walls. Here are some ideas. Paint a mural on your wall. Paint the bottom part of your wall green, for grass, then paint the rest of it blue, for the sky, and then paint Snoopy's red doghouse on it. If you're really skilled, paint Snoopy and his friend Woodstock. Paint your room black and white, Snoopy's colors. If you don't want to paint your room, or aren't allowed, try to find some Snoopy wall stickers to put on your wall. If you can't do that, print out some pictures of Snoopy online and put them on your walls. 2. Buy a Snoopy-themed bedspread. This can be black or white, have Snoopy's doghouse, Snoopy, or Woodstock on it. 3. Buy matching pillows for the comforter. 4. Buy a corkboard and cover it with pictures of Snoopy. 5. Try to find Snoopy posters to put up on your wall. 6. Try to get black and white furniture. Buy a desk, a chair, a dresser, a bookcase, and a bed. 7. Accessorize your room. Buy a black and white rug or one in the shape of Snoopy's face, as well as a beanbag chair, or anything with Snoopy on it. 8. Find Snoopy souvenirs and other items to put in your room. You'd be surprised at how much Snoopy stuff is out there. Alarm clocks, books, lamps, figurines, or other souvenirs. It may be hard to find these things in stores. Go online on sites like eBay to find lots of Snoopy memorabilia. Tips. You might have to get creative and do some stuff hands-on, like making your own room decorations. Watch Charlie Brown shows on TV. Buy the shows on DVD and add them to your room to make it even more Snoopy-like. For inspiration, look up pictures of Snoopy online. Set a budget for your renovation. Snoopy stuff can get expensive, so plan how much you want to spend so you don't go overboard. Have fun and get creative. Before painting your walls, make sure to ask your parents, anyone who owns the house. Warnings. If you use a hot glue gun, have parental supervision. Don't put things over your heater in your room. H2 class equals section underscore head ID equals UCI underscore header made recently 2Z loading. Did you try these steps? Upload a picture for other readers to see. Upload error.